I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install TypeScript 7 on Windows operating system. So let's open the first command prompt, and there if I write node minus v, so node version 24 is installed there. If I write npm minus v, so npm 11% that install. So with the help of this npm that I'm going to install their TypeScript 7. So copying this command and let's paste it here. So press enter. So here you can see npm install -t TypeScript. So with the help of this, you can see two packages that's added in 6 seconds. Now thereafter, we need to check the version. So let's write there npm list type script. So this will display there. Here you can see TypeScript 7.02 that installed. Now to check the version of this TypeScript on the second way. So here you need to write there npx tsc minus version. So this is here to include npx. So if you write there npm, then this will display the npm version. npx text, then you can get their TypeScript version 7 or 2. Now thereafter, let's run their simple hello or add two numbers code. So there I'm moving on this Redditor. So there are so many files. Okay, Joinex here, creating one or simple txt, and let's open this here. I'm going to paste this add to number code. So copying and pasting here. Control S to save. So let's click on this save as. Here we need to select all files. Let's give the add dot. For TypeScript, we need to keep the extension TS. Click on this save. Close this one. Add here. You can see TS or file that's created. Now the next is let's copy this location here using the cd command. Now thereafter this program we need to first compile. So let's write there npx tsc then add .ts. So this compile here you can see or this place JavaScript file that's created. Now we need to run this. So let's write there node then add .js. So here according to given code that's displaying the output. So when I go or here let's right click then here editing notepad. So 7 plus 5 that's 12 that's display. So this is the code is there. So this is how we can do the installation of TypeScript then run the code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.